do feel it, because she brought me into this life. She's my mom. She is my mom. She brings me clean socks in the morning, wakes me up cause I'm late when I'm snoring. She's not the best cook you see, but she tries and that makes me happy. Sometimes she gets on my nerves, sometimes I get on her nerves, but at the end of the day, she's my mom. She's more than love. She's more than love. She's more than love. She's more than love. That's how I feel. So happy Mother's Day. No one can love you like a mom can. No one gives advice like a mom can. If you're a girl, she can help you with your makeup. If you're a guy, she can help you with your breakup. Moms will love you unconditionally, right or wrong. Next to you she'll be. If something ever happened to a child, she'd swim through the ocean and run through the fire. That's a mom. That's my mom.